Good evening students. In this video I will discuss about Unit 5 Economic Aspects of Power Generation and Tariff. So this unit we will broadly classify it into two parts. One is economic aspects and tariff. Unit ni manamu rendu parts ki divide cheskunte, one is economic aspects, second one is tariff. Okay, so economic aspects and tariff. So in these economic aspects we will discuss about load curve, load duration curve and different factors which are maximum demand, connected load, load factor, demand factor, diversity factor, plant use factor, utilization factor and so on, so many factors. And lastly we will discuss about base load and peak load. As we all know, coming to economic aspects, why we study economic aspects of power generation? We know that our power generation, the aim of our power station is to give the power to the large number of consumers. But what happened? The consumers who are utilizing the power is not constant. It is uncertainty. The events of the consumers using the power is not constant. So many loads are using with respect to time they are utilizing the power. So that means there is a variable load on the power station. Okay, so this is the economic aspects of power generation is the function of to calculate the to measure the variation of load on the power station. For that purpose we have the load curve and load duration curve. These factors, okay, we have to, by using all these constraints we can measure the how much power is how much load is utilizing the consumer with respect to the time, either hours, either day or year or monthly. Okay, now coming to second part, we will discuss about second part, that is tariff. In this tariff we will discuss about different types of costs as well as methods of tariff. The costs are generally classified for calculating the tariff is fixed cost, semi-fixed cost and running cost. Coming to methods of tariff, simple tariff, flat rate tariff, block rate tariff, two-part tariff, three-part tariff, power factor tariff. Why we study different types of tariff? Actually we know the definition of tariff. What is a tariff? The cost at which the electrical energy utilized by the consumer is nothing but a tariff. ఎంతైతే మనము ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీని కన్జ్యూమ్ చేస్తామో దానికి మనము పే చేయాలి ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ బోర్డుకి మనీ. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ టారిఫ్. తెలుసు కదా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనము మంత్లీ 60 యూనిట్స్ మనం కన్జ్యూమ్ చేసాము. ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ బోర్డు మనకి ఏం చెప్పాడు? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక యూనిట్ కాస్ట్ ఈస్ 1 యూనిట్ కాస్ట్ ఈస్ 2 రూపీస్. సో 60 యూనిట్స్కి ఎంత? 1 యూనిట్కి 2 రూపీస్ అయినప్పుడు 60 యూనిట్స్కి ఎంత అవుతుంది? 120 రూపీస్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు పే ద 120 రూపీస్ టు ద ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ బోర్డ్. అంటే ఏంటి? ద రేట్ అట్ విచ్ ద ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ యూజ్డ్ బై ద కన్జ్యూమర్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ టారిఫ్. ఓకే, సో based on different types of consumers, these tariffs are we have to study these tariffs. For example, simple tariff, flat rate tariff, block rate tariff, two-part tariff, three-part tariff, power factor. Why we study all these tariffs? Because we are having the industrial consumers, commercial consumers, domestic consumers, agricultural consumers and commercial all the different types of consumers we are having. Based on that we will design the different types of tariff methods. Okay, next one. So in this we will do the problems. Both topics we are having the problems. Okay, In both topics we are having the problems. We will study the definitions and definitions of each tariff and equations of each tariff. We are having the problems. So in further videos we will discuss about problem, brief discussion of topic as well as problems also. Okay, thank you.